I'm sick and tired of being the poorest guy in the internet. I will spend my life savings on Bitcoin and then I will be rich. Here we go. Finally I can get girls and do drugs all I want. Once it surpasses the black line I will sell. Wait, what? God please no. If I make even a small profit, I will donate to charity and help people. Yes yes. Chicks and clubs, here I come. It just need to surpass the black line and I will sell. Wait, what if it kept going? I better hold. Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah. Do you have any experience?
No, I just graduated.
Sorry, can't help you.
What do you mean? But I need a job to get experience.
You need experience.
That's why I am here.
Now you need experience to get a job.
Then where do I get the experience?
We have jobs here, not experiences. Go work and you will get it.
How much experience do I need, and can I just defeat a boss or something?
10 years?
This is an entry-level position, right?
Yes, you may enter after working for 10 years.
I am 20 years old. Was I supposed